This analysis will be looking at the USDCAD and the DXY. But before we get started, please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. USDCAD on my weekly chart close on resistance zone. So long price close on this resistance zone, we expect price to continue to push lower on the USDCAD. So we expect price to move to this next support level on the USDCAD before we can see a retracement on the USDCAD. So let's look at the daily chart of the USDCAD. On my daily chart, you can see that we still have a downtrend structure on the USDCAD, which is we have a higher high, we have a lower 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 high. So long we have a series of lower high, we expect the USDCAD to hit this next weekly support level. So we expect USDCAD to hit this next weekly support level on the daily chart. So long USDCAD close on this weekly resistance zone, we expect price to move to this next support level on the weekly chart. So we are expecting a price on setup on the USDCAD on the close of today candlestick. So we are expecting a price on setup here. So we're selling the USDCAD from this level to this next weekly support level. So let's look at the DXY. DXY on my weekly chart close on resistance zone. So long price close on this resistance zone, we expect DXY to continue to push lower. We still expect price to move to this next support level on the weekly chart. So you can see that we have a more pressure for sell on the DXY on the weekly chart. So long we have more pressure on sell and price close on the resistance level on the DXY, we expect price to continue to push lower on the DXY this week. So let's look at the daily chart of the DXY. On my daily chart, price has tested a key level on the daily chart, which is this support level was previously it was a support level, but price closed below it turned towards resistance, so it becomes a key level. So long price fail to close above it, we expect the DXY to drop from this level this level this week. So we are expecting the DXY to drop from this level. So we are expecting DXY to move to this next weekly support level. So wait for your price action setup on the DXY for you to sell the pair to the downside for this week. So look for your selling opportunity on the DXY. So let's go back to our USDCAD. So on the USDCAD, we'll be taking this trade with this price action setup on the USDCAD, which is this price action setup. We'll be placing a sell stop on USDCAD with this price action setup. After the close of this candlestick, we'll be selling the USDCAD to this next support level on the weekly chart. If you find this analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video.